Hi, Froggy here. This is my 95 M3 and I'm going to show you how to replace or fabricate a clutch bump stop for the car. You might wonder, what is a clutch bump stop? Well, there's the clutch right there, and that empty metal hole up on the firewall is where the clutch bump stop is supposed to be. Or you could also call it a clutch throw adjuster. What it does is when you press the clutch down, you don't have to press it all the way down to the firewall. This is an adjustable screw basically that adjusts how far you push down on the clutch before it engages or disengages. This original one fell off. The original ones are not that terrific. I'm going to show you how to replace it. Okay, what we have here is a UUC big boy clutch bump stop and a couple of bolts. Why do I have a couple of bolts? Well, this one ended up being too long, actually. The overall length of it, if I put it in there, even if I screw it all the way in as far as it'll go, I can't push the clutch down enough to disengage the clutch, so I couldn't use it. It's a great piece, but it just didn't work for my car. So I was going to cut it down, and then I said, well, why cut down such a nice piece? I'll just see if I can find a bolt that'll work. So this is the thread is an M10 by 1.5. It's a coarse thread, so it's a standard metric thread, and I got a couple of bolts at the auto parts store. Now this one, yeah, it's about 15 bucks, I think. This is a buck, and this is a buck. So I've actually already tried this one. This one works. I'm going to show you how I put it in. This is me screwing it in. All you do is screw it into that hole that's made for it on the firewall. I'm screwing it in by hand tight. Now, I'm probably going to put a little dab of Loctite on there so it doesn't loosen up, but I am also going to weld a little flat washer on top of this, because when you push the clutch down, there, right there, the back of the clutch has some ribs in it, and I don't want those ribs to get caught on the head of the bolt. So I'm going to put a little flat washer on top of the head of the bolt. It'll only increase the length of it by an eighth, maybe a 16th, and then it'll have a nice flat place for the back of the clutch pedal to hit. So that's it. I hope this helps someone. If you like my video, give me a thumbs up. If you want to see more, click on subscribe. Froggy out.